Hi everyone, today I'm going to make No BAKE Strawberry Cheesecake. It's easy and tastes amazing. Okay, let's do it.
Freshly soak the gelatin. Whisk cream cheese until smooth. Now add gelatin, white sugar,
Vanilla,
lemon juice and mix it well. Beat 200 gram heavy cream until thick. For the compote, cook strawberries with sugar. Add lime juice. Blend it well. Cool it and mix half the compote into the cheese mix. For the base, mix crusted crackers with melted butter. Push it down in the tray. Pour the cheese mix on the top. Chill for 3 to 4 hours. Press compote on top.
now your No BAKE Strawberry Cheesecake is ready. Don't forget to try this.